हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल डेंटिस्टिक हब। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है परमानेंट मैक्सिलरी लेटरल इंसाइजर्स। लेटरल इंसाइजर इज़ मेनली स्मॉल इन ऑल डायमेंशंस एक्सेप्ट एट द रूट लेंथ because it mainly resembles the maxillary central incisor in form, and direct comparisons are made with the central incisors in its descriptions. Now, what is the peck shaped and what is the palato-gingival groove? So, in the peck shape, a common situation is to find maxillary lateral incisors with a nondescript and pointed form. Such teeth are called peck shaped. And what is the palato-gingival groove? Palato-gingival groove is the anatomic malformation of development origin found mainly on the lingual aspect. So these are mainly found on the lingual aspect. So and the presence of the palato-gingival groove in maxillary incisors may be a predisposing factors in localized periodontal disease, mainly PDL. Now, what about the dimensions of the lateral incisor? So, the length of the crown is 9 mm. The length of the root is 13 mm. All the dimensions are in mm. Please note that. And the mesodistal diameter of the crown is 6.5 mm. Mesodistal diameter of crown at the cervix part, that is here. That is the root, that is the crown. At the cervix part, the mesodistal diameter of the crown is 5 mm, and the curvature of the cervical line at the mesial side and at the distal side is, at the mesial side is 3 mm and at the distal side is 2 mm. The labiolingual diameter of the crown is 6 mm and the labiolingual diameter of crown at cervix is the 5 mm. Now, what about the chronology? In the first evidence of the calcification is found around 10 to 12 months. Enamel is completed around 4 to 5 years. Eruption 8 to 9 years, and the root is completed around the 11 years. So now let's talk about all the aspects of the lateral incisor. So first is the labial aspect. So mesodistal width is narrower and the crown length is short and the mesial profile is convex. So here you, in this diagram, you can see this is the mesial profile, which is a convex in shape, and the crown length is short in comparison to the root. And here you can see the distal profile is the apex of the root. It is distal curvature. The distal curvature of apex of root, and the root is long as compared to central incisors, and it is more convex at the labial surface as compared to the central incisor. Mesial outline is convex, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया. एंड यहाँ पे सबसे नोटेड पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड इज दैट द डिस्टल एंगल या डिस्टो इंसाइजल एंगल is round. Distal incisal angle is rounded. Okay. Now let's talk about the lingual curvature, lingual aspect. So in lingual aspect, here we can see that the cingulum is prominent. The cingulum is prominent, and here a lingual pit is found. That is known as a lingual pit, and marginal ridges is prominent as more compared to the, these are the marginal ridge which is a more prominent as compared to the central incisors. And the lingual fossa, it is well circumscribed and is more deeper. Lingual fossa, and it is more deeper as compared to the central incisor. Here a groove, that is a palato-gingival groove, is seen, which is a deep, and lingual pits, they are more common. And here the geometrical shape of the lingual aspect is also a trapezoidal, and in lingual aspect is labial aspect is also a trapezoidal in shape. Now, what about the mesial aspect? The shape is same, that is as in central incisors of mesial aspect, that is wedge shape or a triangular in shape. Here the curvature of the mesial, the curvature of the cervical line at the mesial side is the 3 mm, is around 3 mm. And here the point of contact, the mesial contact is lies mainly at the junction of middle third and the incisal third. Junction of middle third and incisal third. Here this is the incisal ridge, and in mesial side towards the lingual side you can see a convex outline is formed, and less mesial curvature of cervical line as compared to the maxillary central incisor. जो ये cervical curvature of the cervical line है maxillary central incisor में ये कितना था, that is 3.5 mm, and in lateral incisor that is 3 mm. Okay, now let's talk about the distal aspect. So in the distal aspect, here this is the diagram. Also the geometrical shape of the crown is wedge shape or a triangular in shape, and here the curvature of cervical line is 2 mm, and it is also less in comparison to the central incisor, its distal aspect. Now its contact area is mainly lie at the middle third. Okay, now let's talk about the incisal aspect. हमने जैसा कि पढ़ा था सेंट्रल इंसाइजर में जो इंसाइजल एस्पेक्ट था वो कैसा था, that is triangular in shape. यहाँ पे ये कैसा है, that is oval in shape. This is the labial side, this is the lingual side. Here you can see the labial surface is more convex as compared to the maxillary central incisor. And in the lingual side the cingulum is prominent. Here the dimensions of the crown mesiodistally and the labiolingually is almost same. And from the incisal aspect we can see that this is oval in shape. Please remember, you can also take this point as a difference between the central incisor and the lateral incisor. Now let's talk about the root. Root is mainly long and sharp. There is a pulp canal which is only one, and the developmental grooves present on both the sides. Developmental grooves means there is a root and these are the crowns. So if you see towards the mesial or distal side, a developmental groove is present. So that is a developmental groove, and this is present on the both sides, mesial or distal side. Now let's talk about the difference between the left and right angle. So first we will differentiate it from the formulas, and second then we differentiate by disto-incisal angle, that is a more rounded. So we can identify which side is distal side and which side is lingual side. And proximal contact lies at the middle 1/3. जो distal का था, distal aspects अगर हम देख रहे थे तो उसका contact area तो वो कहाँ पे था, middle 1/3 में था. और जो mesial side का था, that is mesial side का था वो कहाँ पे था, at the junction of the middle third and incisal third. ओके, एंड वन मोर पॉइंट हेयर, जैसा कि अभी मैंने आपको बताया था लेबियल एस्पेक्ट में जो रूट थी दैट इज़ द डिस्टल कर्वेचर. लेबियल एस्पेक्ट में मैंने आपको अभी बताया है जो रूट है दैट इज़ डिस्टली कर्व्ड होती है, तो आप वहाँ से भी इसे डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं. नाउ थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो प्लीज़ कमेंट, share, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. And in the next lecture we will study about the permanent mandibular central incisor.